Assalamualaikum, my name is Anza Saqib. Welcome to another episode of Rendezvous with Anza Saqib on CXO Global TV. आज हमारे साथ we have a very very special guest. He's the SVP for Sales and Pre-Sales at MEP Solutions. Sir has a lot of experience और हम इनसे without further ado बात करते हैं. अस्सलामुअलैकुम.
क्या है?
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक. सर थोड़ा सा मुझे अपनी पर्सनल जर्नी के बारे में बताइए बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स मुझे पता है आप CXO ग्लोबल का हिस्सा हैं और देयर आर सम पीपल हु आर रियली लुकिंग अप टू यू एंड जो कि इस फील्ड से मुंसलिक हैं. सो आपकी जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई?
यहीं की पैदाइश इस्लामाबाद की, इस्लामाबाद में पैदा हुआ एंड I've done my education from Islamabad starting from IMCB F84 and then I've done my masters again from one of the universities in Islamabad and this is the brief journey that I had.
So any Pakka son of the soil.
Yes, Pakka son of the soil from
Pakka
Islamabad.
son of the soil.
Yeah.
अच्छा सर before we continue further मुझे एक सवाल जो अक्सर लोगों के जहन में होता है, people are aware of what sales are but many people who are not from this particular field they don't understand what pre-sales are. So would you like to elaborate a little bit upon that?
Actually, pre-sale is more towards it's a product centric thing. ठीक है, लोगों को ज़्यादातर ये होता है कि pre-sales के बारे में बताया नहीं जाता. That's why उनकी जब sales का step आता है तो the product is not aligned with the customer requirement. So it's mandatory that you should do a pre-sales job. There is specific people, technical people to do that. And the sale guy and the pre-sale guy needs to work in collaboration to understand the customer requirement, prepare the BOQ or the or BOM, and then you can move towards the finalization of the pricing and the sales process starts this way.
जी अच्छा sir, when you were starting off your journey, why did you opt to go for the sales field? Because I see a lot of young people now and they are very much discouraged from joining a sales based job, especially post pandemic क्योंकि things are, let's say in general very colloquial terms, very very hard to sell these days. So आपने इतना daring step क्या सोच के लिया?
I can thank my bosses for that. I was a pure technical resource.
Okay.
I was never in sales. My majors were in software development and on DLD and in machine programming.
अच्छा,
So I was a techie guy. I was not a sales guy, but my mentors and my bosses, they pushed me and they said that you can do it. You have that kind of personality. Sales is all about luck and a magic. Something happens when you talk to customer and customer start listening to you. So I have that kind of feedback from many of my bosses that why don't you start doing sales as well. So what I did, I became a techno sales type of a guy. Most of the time when you talk to corporate customers, when you talk to the CEOs or CXO level, they want to they don't have time to listen to one guy and then he will bring some other guy for a technical thing and then he will bring some other guy for the sales or financial things. So they need one guy who can do the entire thing, who can give them the 360-degree view that okay, this will be the financials, this will be the technical, and this is how the ROI will be completed for whichever project they are going to do. So that's why I was not a sales guy earlier. I was a techno sales guy, but yes, sales it's just like any other job, sales has KPIs as well.
Okay.
So if you focus on your targets, you focus on your product, and you plan accordingly and you move accordingly, you take your feedback, you take help from your manufacturers, definitely I think it's not a tough job to do. It's rather than quite rewarding. Many people I've seen that have moved from Pakistani companies, private companies to MNPs, they focus, they want to remain as an account manager or a sales manager not because they are working in a multinational or they are getting higher salaries, but they are more focused to get more commission.
Yeah,
So
and get
that's the
more
main.
business.
Yes. So मुझे भी वो खून लगा एक
हाँ,
दफा.
कमाऊ पुत्र
जब
बनेगा.
हाँ जी. The time I got my first incentive check, I said
Yeah.
like यार मैं पूरे साल करता हूँ तनख्वाह कमाता हूँ और this is what I get and voila one shot I got this check. Let's do this.
जबरदस्त है. A lot of times सिर्फ वो कहते हैं ना कि अगर सेल्समैन देखना हो तो anyone who can sell ice to an Eskimo, वो सेल्स पर्सन होता है. मतलब you have to identify the need. Sir, having said that, your particular field, I was reading up on the company as well, and mashallah MEP Solutions is big brand name. I know कौन सा ऐसा बड़ा मॉल नहीं है पाकिस्तान का जहाँ आप लोगों ने solutions provide नहीं किए हो. Sir, but you know, when somebody looks at your portfolio and the company's portfolio, they look at the word turnkey. एक बड़ा buzzword है, turnkey solutions क्या होते हैं, turnkey solutions क्या होते हैं, highly engineered solutions क्या होते हैं. These are things we are still learning in Pakistan क्योंकि हम अभी तक I think वो ठेकेदार वाले मॉडल पे ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं. So would you like to educate everyone about?
Okay. Starting MEP जैसा आपने बताया it's alhamdulillah it's everywhere now mashallah, and the vision of the company was this thing that it is still there, that they want to bring the IT flavor to the business, to building management system and all those ELV, electronic low voltage systems. You can call them life safety network systems as well.
Yeah. Absolutely. जिसके ISO standards भी
जी बिल्कुल. So again जो ISO standards होते हैं that gets implemented within the software so that can be followed accordingly. The point is when you talk about turnkey solutions, since it's a very very critical and very crucial thing. Pakistan में knowing the high-rise buildings, I've seen buildings
they don't even have fire exits. I've seen that sir happen because in Karachi I've seen because I was growing up there, I saw one or two massive buildings, 25-30 stories where they did not have an emergency staircase.
Agreed.
What happens? बिल्कुल SOPs follow नहीं होते.
Plus ये है कि वहाँ पे जो authorities हैं ना, they have not if you talk about Europe or you talk about Middle East, वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था कि वहाँ पे जो buildings हैं उनके SOPs जो भी जैसे यहाँ पे CDA, KDA, LDA वो drive करते हैं कि building must have an emergency staircase. Right?
Yeah, must have fire exits. Yeah, must have
fire exits, must have fire alarm systems. और fire alarm system के भी standards होते हैं that you have to follow based on the region. तो जब when you talk about turnkey solutions, तो इसमें देखें fire detect करना is not everything. You have to suppress it as well. Then you have to announce it as well. Then you have to accordingly आपका सारे के सारे जो fans हैं, all those things जो जिन्होंने smoke बाहर निकालनी है, they have to get activated as well. So all those things are collaborated together to work together. So it is called a building management system, and then there is a life safety network, life safety solutions that work together to bring this thing. Human life everywhere is very very important.
Very valuable.
So सबसे पहले priority होती है इसी के. तो turnkey solutions में if you talk about our organization, by the courtesy of our group Izhar Construction.
Obviously,
so if you
very famous in
if you just give us a piece of land and tell us that, ask us can you do everything, so I can proudly say this thing now after having this IT flavor in this BMS thing and the life safety thing. So now we can say that you give us a piece of land, you pay us, and we'll give you the key in return. And that,
so that's total turnkey. So yes, from conception to execution.
Yeah, it's gray structure, and we'll after gray structure this is all automation of the building. We can do everything, even the ICT data centers, the network, everything can be done by us now, alhamdulillah.
And all smart solutions as well.
Yes, all smart solutions.
Okay, brilliant sir. आपने एक बड़ी important बात की कि everywhere around the world the value of human life has there is nothing else that stands more significant. During the pandemic we've all realized the value of human life. However, businesses have also gotten affected, and if they're not financially affected, I know some businesses have really grown during this time. How was your business impacted, and were there any special measures that you had to take, and what has the evolution been for your business during the pandemic?
that's ये हमें पीछे ले जाता है मार्च में and believe you me that was one of the scariest month being from sales and pre-sales and technical lead and the people working under you and you have to look look after them. तो एक बड़ा मतलब डर लगा था शुरू में, we were scared और कि क्या होगा, everything was closed and thought के okay साइंस ने इतनी तरक्की कर ली है, वैक्सीन बन जाएगी, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा, बट जब पता लगा कि ये नहीं हो रहा तो डर बढ़ता गया. लेकिन उसके साथ साथ ये होता है कि आपकी जो मैनेजमेंट होती है वो बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है इसमें. तो उन्होंने बैकअप किया काफ़ी एंड द मोस्ट पॉजिटिव थिंग वाज कि दे सेड कि यार डोंट वरी, वी आर हियर, वी आर नॉट लेटिंग anybody go over anywhere.
Acha, so no layoffs were
Yes.
made, no cut downs.
Cut downs hardly. It was not a cut down. We said that we cannot pay right now, but definitely you will be there.
Okay.
So maybe we have reduced the salaries to 50%, but we never, there was one or two, maybe four, maybe side guys, contractual guys that were laid off.
Okay.
But other than that, there was nothing. So that gave me quite a positive gesture from the management. So what we did, like we utilized that time to train my team.
Okay, brilliant.
Yeah.
And how big was the learning curve?
It was great. I've done around maybe 70 or 80 plus certifications during that time. Because I was just sitting at home, so I was doing nothing. So I just subscribed in different areas. I subscribed to LinkedIn Learning, subscribed to other platforms where my principal was there, the manufacturer training. So what I started to do, I started to make my leadership skills more enhanced by attending those classes and attending those.
Do you think they've been beneficial?
Yeah, of course, yes. Because if I talk, whatever we are doing right now, around 20 to 30% is because of that knowledge.
Okay, wow, that's
and
been...
what my team is doing right now is again because of certifications that the principal, that the manufacturer has given provided to us. So we had a schedule starting from April. So April, May, June was a time when all these 3 months was packed with all the trainings. It was, of course, it was online, but it was all certified trainings. And hats off to those manufacturers. They didn't charge us anything. They said you should be staying focused and you should train your team to do this thing.
Actually, I think it has also really reflected well on how there is still humanity amongst people. Even for businesses, empathy is very important. Sir, इसके साथ साथ businesses की तो आपने बात की. Our Prime Minister has made some special announcements during this time, especially in terms of construction. उन्होंने काफ़ी rebates दिए हैं, relaxations दिए हैं. What do you think about the policies so far?
Okay, those are great. We are really thankful to the government that they have done this thing. It's a great step, and after this announcement, we have seen quite a big boost on the construction side. Since our parent company is totally focused towards construction, so we are getting very positive vibes that
तो सर तीन कौन से एस्पेक्ट्स ऐसे थे जिस पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा आई थिंक सब्सिडाइज किया गया था रॉ मटेरियल
जी
एंड कुछ टैक्स रिबेट्स थी.
Tax rebates थी and they said that we are not going to ask him anything.
Yeah, I know.
So that's the best part of it. So everybody who have something that he didn't show or he didn't wanted to show it right now. So he had this great moment, so he can invest and he can get a return on those things as well. So one question that you asked me that during this pandemic period, what happened to our businesses? To be very honest, I cannot thank Allah enough that in the month of March, April, and May, we have submitted so many proposals for those high-rise buildings, for the healthcare sector. That we were amazed. I think in total we submit around 8 to 12 proposals in a year, but in those 3 months we submitted around 8 to 9 proposals.
Wow.
and things are moving, and alhamdulillah things are getting better. The only thing is that we just need to stay a little positive on that side, and alhamdulillah things will get better
Great, sir.
with this thing. So we our proposals help the customer to understand that okay, this is the benefits of buying from us. Like if you talk about any proposal that we are submitting, it goes with a technical proposal, and a technical proposal reflects whatever we are whatever we are being going to get paid for, it will be delivered to you. So it's a technical proposal plus sales thing together to tell the customer, okay, what are you going to buy and how we are going to deploy it, and how it will help them to achieve their target or their goals.
So it's all about disseminating the knowledge and the awareness to the
Yes,
customer. So when we talk about innovation, this is a field unfortunately where I've seen, like whenever we travel abroad, even to countries like the Far East, Singapore आप चले जाते हैं, Malaysia जाते हैं, वहाँ उनके building standards और जो innovation आ रही है in construction, that I feel is still a little slow in Pakistan. And since you're part of the, could you tell us what kind of innovation and evolution do you expect in this industry in the next 10 years in Pakistan? अभी क्या काम हो रहा है और आगे आप क्या anticipate कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, if you जैसे आपने example दी about Malaysia and you talk about Middle East as well, वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें ना ऑलरेडी मतलब जो अथॉरिटीज़ हैं और इंश्योरेंस एजेंसीज हैं, उन्होंने सारी चीज़ें लिंक की हुई हैं. सो यू डोंट गेट इंश्योरेंस विदाउट शोइंग देम प्रॉपर लॉग फॉर हाउ डिड द फायर हैपन. इट्स नॉट लाइक यहाँ पे लग गई तो दे दिया और अल्लाह का खैर सलाह. यहाँ वहाँ पे ऐसा चक्कर नहीं है. सो ऑल अथॉरिटीज़ नीड टू सिट टुगेदर टू डिवाइस ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ऑल दीज SOPs. यहाँ पे इनोवेशन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इट्स देयर नाउ. जहाँ से आप लोग अभी आए हैं, कराची की बात कर रहे थे, साउथ इज गेड अप. साउथ में जितनी भी बिल्डिंग्स नहीं बन रही हैं, वहाँ पे देयर आर गुड कंसल्टेंट्स हु आर वर्किंग ओवर देयर, and they are providing such kind of technology and such kind of automation to those buildings that are being built right now.
Yeah, smart homes and
yes. So Karachi's south is there. Punjab is gearing up. Punjab is is there now. Punjab में भी काफी constructions हो रही हैं where they are opting for smart building systems.
So even the raw materials I've seen abroad, like जो जिसको आप local language में जो आपका steel जिससे आपकी scaffolding बनती है,
जी जी.
वहाँ भी they're using different kinds of materials जो अब मेरे ख्याल में हम will we be able to adapt those things in the future?
हमें करने पड़ेंगे to minimize the.
तो हमारा environment कितना conducive है सर?
देखिए, environment it's there. We have no issues. The only thing is that लोग adopt करते हैं, घबराते हैं. Let me give you a small example. Like आप कोई सॉफ्टवेयर लॉन्च करते हैं किसी भी like IT सर्विस मैनेजर आपने लॉन्च किया किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आपने लॉन्च कर लिया, उसको उस प्रोडक्ट को बनाने में बेतहाशा आइटल के प्रोसेसेस लगे हुए, सारा कुछ लगा हुआ है. पीपल हैव स्पेंड न्यूमरस आवर्स टू डिज़ाइन दैट प्रोडक्ट, और आप उस प्रोडक्ट को अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं टू स्ट्रीमलाइन द प्रोसेसेस, ताकि ये पेपर एनवायरनमेंट कम हो, अप्रूवल जल्दी आ जाए, सारा कुछ हो जाए. लेकिन उसकी द मेन थिंग इज की अडेप्शन. लोग उसको अडेप्ट नहीं करते. पीपल विल स्टिल सेंड एन ईमेल कि यार मेरा ये काम कर दो, मेरा ये काम कर दो. दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज द सर्विस मैनेजर.
Yes, or not use the instruction manuals जो साथ आती है.
बिल्कुल. तो यहाँ पे भी यही चक्कर है कि पीपल आर रिलक्टेंट कि यार मेरी नौकरी का कुछ ना हो जाए. रादर दे डोंट थिंक कि इसको मैं अगर लर्न कर लूँगा तो देयर विल बी मोर फॉर मी इन द फ्यूचर. यहाँ पे इस चीज़ का बहुत एक अलमिया है इस चीज़ का. फायर अलार्म सिस्टम्स बिल्डिंग्स में लगे हुए, पीपल आर यूजिंग द लेगेसी सिस्टम्स जिनको वो चेंज नहीं करना.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है.
रीज़न ये कि उतार दिया तो क्या होगा.
I would like to specially thank you for your time, and it's been a very good learning experience as well. So anything that you would like to add as an ending note for everyone? एक तो just being a part of CXO Global, has this created an impact on your life?
Yes, definitely, it's a very good platform for leadership skill people to work together. क्योंकि हमारी जनरेशन को, कमिंग जनरेशन को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है मेंटोरिंग की एंड व्हाट दे नीड टू डू. हमारे साथ तो ये हुआ है कि हम लोग जहाँ पानी का बहाव चलता रहा हम उस तरफ जाते गए. बट इट्स अबाउट टाइम नाउ कि हम अपनी यंग जनरेशन को, यंग लॉर्ड को ये इस फोरम के थ्रू वी कैन गाइड देम एंड वी कैन लेट देम नो व्हाट टू डू एंड व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक्स जो कि हमने की, जो कि उनको नहीं करनी चाहिए. सो एक तो ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज जो मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू पास करना चाहता हूँ. और दूसरी ये चीज़ है, वी नीड टू बी वेरी पॉजिटिव. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह चीज़ें बेहतरी की तरफ जा रही हैं. अगर हम पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो आगे उसका कंक्लूजन भी पॉजिटिव निकलेगा. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इन माय लाइफ.
Inshallah. Thank you so much, everyone.